Did you know the most hated king in English history might have been innocent all along? In 1483, Richard III became king after his two young nephews mysteriously vanished from the Tower of London. Everyone believed he murdered the boys to steal their throne. For over 500 years, Richard was painted as a twisted villain. Shakespeare wrote him as a hunchbacked monster who killed children for power. History books called him evil. But recent discoveries are changing everything. Archaeologists found Richard's actual skeleton in 2012 under a parking lot. His spine was curved, but he wasn't the deformed monster from the plays. He was a warrior who fought bravely in battle. New evidence suggests the princes might have died from illness, not murder. Documents show Richard actually cared for his nephews before they disappeared. Other powerful nobles had stronger reasons to want the boys dead. The truth is shocking. Richard might have been framed by the real killers. History's greatest villain could actually be history's greatest victim of lies. The prince's mystery remains unsolved, but Richard's reputation is finally being restored.